Overlooking the Seine River in Normandy, Château de Tancarville has stood for nearly 1,000 years. Built in the 11th century, it was designed as a powerful fortress to guard one of the region's most important river crossings. Through the Middle Ages, the lords of Tancarville rose to prominence, serving as chamberlains to the Dukes of Normandy and later to the French kings. The castle became both a military stronghold and a symbol of authority, its towers and thick walls watching over centuries of conflict between France and England. In the Renaissance, parts of the fortress were reshaped into a more refined residence, blending elegance with the strength of its medieval origins. Yet War in 10 eventually left much of it in ruins. Today, even in partial decay, Château de Tancarville remains a commanding sight. Its towers and walls still stand as a reminder of Normandy's turbulent past, and of the enduring power of history carved into stone.